Before starting HTM, I think that the right word is shame, like ashamed that I wasn't doing whatever it is that I needed to do, wasn't working hard enough. I was working really hard, harder, I think more hours than when I was at a big law firm. But for some reason, it wasn't yielding the results that I wanted. I think coming from this big law background and in law school in general, you start to learn, if you're smart enough, you'll figure it out, which in some ways is a great type of motivator for those of us who love academics. But there is something very egotistical to think that just going to law school is going to teach you how to be a great business person. And at that point, before joining HTM, I was not a great business person. I'm still learning now. In the past year, I've grown my business by 600%. We are a team of 7 now. Before I was a team of just me, working really, really hard. I feel so much more positive. I feel like when I'm struggling with things, I'm in a group of very high-performing people who will help. A big one for me is building a firm that has the systems and procedures and team in place that can operate when you step away from the office. I resisted HTM for maybe a year and a half. They were patient with me. They kept growing and getting better while I was sitting on the sideline. I wish I would have joined sooner. I would have spent less time spinning my wheels and I would have gotten the advice that I needed. What was holding me back was fear. And so if that resonates to anybody listening to this, if you're feeling that fear and you can't just wipe it away, I think that HTM is still going to be there. But as somebody who waited a year and a half, I wish I would have done it faster and I wish I would have been braver sooner because it was absolutely worth it.